right, we're given to understand that the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Mohan Yadav, has also taken note of this scandal, and he has given an assurance that the probe is underway and strict action will be taken.
जो भी घटना सबकी जानकारी में है, हमारी सरकार उसके ऊपर कठोर कार्रवाई कर रही है और ये हमारी सरकार का भारत सरकार के साथ लगातार इस प्रकार की व्यवस्थाओं में आपने देखा होगा कि हमने हर एक वो कमियां या गलतियां या छिपी हुई बातें जिससे कहीं कोई चूक हो रही है उस पर तुरंत त्वरित एक्शन की। मैंने इस बारे में निर्देश दिए हैं कि ऐसे और भी कहीं कोई हो तो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट उनके बारे में कठोर कार्रवाई करे।
All right, Govind continues to be with us on the broadcast. Govind, the Chief Minister is also giving assurance that yes, the investigation is underway, strict action will be taken, but there are a lot of questions unanswered. Was nobody keeping a check? How could this imposter go on conducting these surgeries?
Yeah, let me first tell you the identity of this man. In fact, his real name is Narendra Vikramaditya Yadav, in fact, and he was posing as a fake doctor, as Dr. N. Kem, in fact, N. John Kem. He was telling himself from London, the doctor, and he joined this mission hospital as a guest faculty in starting of Jan to Feb, mid of Feb. And since mid of Feb, he is absconding and he is exposed. And when his retrospection is studied, in fact, when it was found that he was also involved in such many cases where an FIR was registered against him in Hyderabad. He also allegedly did an operation of a BJP leader in Chhattisgarh, in Bilaspur, in fact, in 2006, and that leader died later, in fact. So he was also operated by this doctor. This is also the information is coming out. So definitely many facts and figures which are surprising and shocking, one, that how this man was posing as a doctor and
right.
He was in fact involved in many activities on social media. He was quite an active, in fact. So now the investigation is going on, and let's see that when this man will be nabbed by police.
All right, Govind, thank you for getting us the details. Let's also tell our viewers what the NHRC has to say about this. Priyank Kanungo, in a post on social media X, said a case of untimely death of 7 people has come to light in a missionary hospital in Damo, where a fake doctor was operating on patients in the name of treatment of heart disease. Now, according to the complaint, the said missionary hospital is covered under the Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Yojana, and hence government money has also been misused. The investigation team will examine the institution and persons mentioned in the complaint, including administrative officials.
मध्य प्रदेश के दमोह से शिकायत प्राप्त हुई थी कि एक मिशनरी के अस्पताल में नकली डॉक्टर ने हृदय रोग संबंधी सर्जरी करके कई लोगों की जान ले ली, और इसमें ये भी बताया गया कि ये मिशन का जो अस्पताल है ये आयुष्मान भारत योजना के अंतर्गत आच्छादित होने के कारण सरकार से पैसे भी इन चिकित्सा सुविधाओं के बदले ले रहा था। ये अपने आप में गंभीर प्रकृति की शिकायत है। आयोग इसमें संज्ञान ले रहा है और आगे कार्रवाई संपादित की जा रही है।
And with that, we're slipping into a very short break. Lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.